Never thought I'd be figuring out what kind of curtains to put in my Mercedes. Welcome back to another episode of GasDiesel Garage, everyone. In today's episode, we get to put the door panels back together. Because as you recall from part 2, I took the door panels apart because the airbags were blown out and blew out the inserts. And so we took things apart, took the inserts, got the leather repaired. Now the leather needs to go back on the vehicle, but first we need to prep it and put it back on the plastic insert plastic. Yeah, like I said, put the leather back on the plastic insert and then insert the insert back in the door panel. I think I said that right. But anyways, stay tuned. Alright, now that we got the inserts all done, see it's all sewn up and perfect. Now what we got to do is transfer this into there. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to plastic weld these things back in. Remember when we cut all that stuff out to remove it? Well, we're going to plastic weld. And all we're going to do, I already got this one in here. Now to install this, just grab yourself a soldering iron. That's all you need, believe me. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Grab the door panel here, slide it back in. Now see, I got the panel in. Now the only thing we got to do is, see, I already started there. All we're doing is moving the plastic. We're just moving the plastic back to where it was. Mushrooming it out and making it stick to the old plastic. That's all we got to do, just like that. Don't you wish welding in general was this easy? Easy peasy. Now we got to do that all around. Everything that we drilled out to get that panel out, we got to do that too. Right down there. There's probably toxins in this plastic, but I guess you just got to deal with it. Doesn't smell very pleasant, but doing this is going to save you probably thousands of dollars. Right. Well, alright, that wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be. Got them all in. Yeah, I got to get the little extra thread. I got to cut all that crap out, but it's in there, which is great. Save the door panels. And yes, they're pretty daggone dirty. I have to clean them, so You can grill me on the internet if you'd like, but now all we got to do is put the thing back in the car and then attack that headliner. Alrighty. Alright, got the driver's side in, and by no means, guys, is this going to be absolutely perfect. I mean, because you got to understand, a daggone airbag blew off on that cardboard. So it may look a little odd, but I'm just trying to get this thing inspected and on the road so we can have some real fun. Now we're going to move back to the back one and install that one. Well, okay, we got the door panels all fixed and ready to go. Like I said, it may not be perfect, but what I needed to do right now is perfect. Got that in there, new airbags in there, so the airbag light can be turned off. There you go, driver's side. And the next thing we need to do is take care of that headliner. So let's get to that. Now here's the curtain airbag, non-deployed and ready to go back in the vehicle. Now we just have to pull the old one out. Now to gain access to this curtain airbag, we had to pull that little cap out and pull that inverted Torx out, and then we just pull this down a little bit. There we go. Pull it out right there, just like that. Now I know this looks intimidating, but it's really not that bad. You just got these bolts right here you got to take out, these Torx right there and right there. Then you got to come down here, take this out. You got to pop that these two little clips there. I don't know if you can see them. Clip that one and that one. That comes out. And then there's a 10mm that actually holds the actuator, to the body. So let's just square that away and start taking it apart. Now there's two 10mm nuts, or bolts rather, nuts. One right there, and then there's one on the other side. You can see that right there. And then this whole thing be able to just pull down and come on. Now that we got all the bolts out, we should be able to just pull it down and pull it on out. Well, there you go, one curtain airbag installed. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to hook the computer up to it. Make sure those SRS lights or /airbag lights have triggered off, because if we still got an airbag light on, that means we can't get this thing inspected and I can't drive it on the road. So let's do that now. Now it would be my luck that I don't have my snap-on scanner here, because I lend it to people and they don't bring it back, so I'm gonna have to get on them. But we will check the ECU for the airbag codes on the next episode, because like I said, there's gonna be multiple episodes of this Mercedes build. So please stay tuned, join the journey, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.